this is the lighting desk. This will be what we'll be using to control all the lights that are inside the container. So this will control all your colours and your dimmers and basically all the lights that are inside. You have your 4 different types of lights on the left hand side under the fixture selector. So you have your LED strips, your LED squares, your LED side, and the star cloth on the back wall here. To control those manually, you would select whichever lights you wanted to control, and then down at the bottom you have your attributes along with the numbers that are at the top, which would then match on. So for instance, if I wanted to control the LED strips, I would put the dimmer on first. I would then put the colours on, and then you'll slowly see that the colours will come up to match what's the label down here. So if you want to control the preset colours that are on the top buttons here, you need to select the fixtures you would like to control, put up the dimmer, which is number 1, and then you would then select whichever colour, which is red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, orange, purple, or white. So to control the custom show looks that we have over the right hand side here, we need to select all the fixtures that we want to control, which in this case would be all the fixtures that we have. We would need to put up the dimmer, and then we need to select either the blue and the purple, the red look, the orange and purple look, or the blue look. To create an automatic colour effect, you need to select your fixtures, which in this case would be the LED strips, the LED squares, and the LED on the sides. You bring up your dimmer, and then there is a button here called Auto Fade. If you press that, you'll see that the fixtures are now chasing. Over here, there is a fade speed control, which at the top is 255, and at the bottom is 0, and in between the two you have your fade speed.
So we're going to now release the screen and bring it down so that we can show some films. So what we have here is a ratchet strap. What you need to do, hold on to this end, pull it back like that. When it gets to here, it's going to be ready for releasing. So pull the trigger, shove it all the way back, grab this, and then once the trigger is released, like clockwork. To bring it back up, put it away, we basically, it ideally needs 2, but 1 could do it. And then we get it to about there, and pull the red trigger again, give it a couple of ratchets, that'll do. Doesn't need to be mega tight. Done, dusted.
So once you have lowered the projector screen, you'll need to turn on the projector. To do that, you'll need a remote control from the drawer, and there is a button on the top left which says on. You switch that on and you'll notice at the top the red light will go from red to green once it's ready, and then you'll see an image from the projector. So once you have turned the projector on, you will need to go into the drawer and pull out your HDMI cable. Once you've got your HDMI cable, you will want to plug it into the port on the side of the rack here, and then you'll also want to plug that into your laptop. Your laptop audio will go through this port here, just above the HDMI port, with a cable that is also in the drawer.